Quantum computers sound like science fiction, but did you know they're already solving real problems? Let's uncover a real-life example of quantum computing in action. First, a quick primer. Classical computers use bits, zeros and ones. Quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at once thanks to superposition. Imagine reading every book in a library at the same time. That's quantum power. One real-life example: drug discovery. Quantum computers simulate molecules at the atomic level, something classical computers struggle with. Pharmaceutical companies like Roche and IBM are using quantum computing to design new medicines faster. Quantum computers could help cure diseases years earlier than before. Another example: finance. Banks like JP Morgan Chase use quantum algorithms to optimize portfolios and detect fraud patterns in massive data. Quantum computing can crunch risk calculations in seconds, something that might take years on a regular computer. Quantum computing is also helping with logistics and traffic optimization. Companies like Volkswagen tested quantum systems to reduce traffic jams by analyzing millions of possible routes instantly. Quantum can map the fastest way across an entire city before the light even turns green. So here's the big reveal. Quantum computing isn't the future, it's already here. From drug discovery to finance to traffic solutions, it's quietly changing the world behind the scenes. You just saw real-life examples of quantum computing, proof that the future is now. Don't keep this knowledge in superposition, collapse it into action. Like, share and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech explained simply.